Hello, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-up using Elementor and Elementor Pro. Now this feature is only available if you have Elementor Pro. In case you don't have Elementor Pro, I'll drop a link in description so that you can grab your own license for Elementor Pro. So if you are excited to learn how you can create your own pop-up in Elementor, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your dashboard, and in the dashboard you will need to go to templates, and in here you can see this option that says pop-ups. So click on that pop-up and click on add new pop-up and name it as anything. In my case I'll name it as promotion because the purpose of this pop-up is promotion. So once the Elementor will load it on the domain, what I need to do, if I want, I can grab these templates, but the purpose is to show you how you can create your own template. So first thing that you need to do is to click on these settings, and from here you can increase or decrease the width. So in my case I'll keep it as this, and then you have height is for now fit to content, and then you can choose it as fit to screen. This will go like this, and you can also go custom, but for now I'll go to fit to content. So this pop-up will inherit the sizing of the content. So next thing, you have the position, and from the position tab you can choose the horizontal position, uh, to the left or right or in the center. In my case I want to keep it in the center, and vertically you can move it to the top, bottom or center. For now I'll keep it in center. Then you can choose an overlay. Now you can see when I click overlay, this slightly black background appears, but when I turn it off, this disappears. So if you want pop up without an overlay, you can choose that, but in my case I'll choose overlay. And then if you want to shut the close button, you can click on this, and now you can see we don't have any close button. But when I click on show, you can see now it's appearing again. Then you can choose the entrance animations. In my case I'll choose it as fade in, and for exit animation I'll choose fade out. Then you have animation duration. I usually keep every animation to 1.6, and after that you have some general options and preview settings. Then you have styles. From here you can choose the background type of this. So if you check this background color is now changed, but what I want is to keep it as white background, and for my overlay I'll use this green background with this much transparency. And for the close button I'll keep it inside, and I want its color to be green so that it should match overall style and color theme of the website. Once that is done, now you can click on this and you will move back to this widget panel, and from here you can start dragging any widget in this canvas. So I'll drag the image widget, and I already have uploaded an illustration that I got from internet, and I'll paste it here and I'll decrease its size to something like 300 by 300, and then I'll drag a title widget and I'll delete this, align it to the center and name it as get 25% off when 25% off by signing up to newsletter. After that, what I can do is to go to the style tab and I'll choose a color, and then I'll choose the layer, the font style, and the font size is good. I need to increase its uh, width. So after that, what I need to do is to grab a form. So I already have designed a form in this contact page. So I'll simply go to the contact page and I'll click on edit with elementor. Elementor tab will start loading and I'll copy this elementor form and I'll paste the form right there. Once that is done, I'll name it as promotion form, and I need first name and the last name. I don't need phone number, email, and these fields. Also, I don't need this field. I'll remove the first name part and I label it as 75% width, and for the button, I'll keep it as 25%. And for the form fields, I want the input size to be medium, just like this. Once that is done, what I can do is to click on this column settings and I'll increase the padding. Now for some reasons, wait, so I'll have to click on this justified, and now our form is looking good. So once you will create your pop-up, and next thing you will click on this publish button, and from here you will have to choose the conditions. So where do you want to display your template? If you click on add condition, here you can choose on which page you want the pop-up to display. In my case, I don't want to use these display conditions. I would like to use this trigger conditions. So whenever someone will go from page with exit intent, then the pop-up should appear. So with that, I'll click next and I'll once again click on save and close. So now we have this created. Let's test this. So if I go to this, so pop-up is not appearing, so we'll have to go to display condition and click on entire site, and with that we can choose on page exit intent, and I'll update this and then I'll refresh the page. Now it should appear, and now you can see our pop-up is loading. So this is how you can create a pop-up with Elementor and Elementor Pro. If you like this video, consider subscribing to YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.